For us, 678 really sharpens our focus, and that is on probation success and what can we do to keep people out of jail and out of prison and out of a life of crime and, reconnected with families and education, jobs, and all the things that we want for our region and our communities.
I think the legislation and again the funding are vitally important because it again helps departments, probation agencies focus on what it means to engage in evidence-based practices with this population and have that very positive impact on individuals under supervision and our communities, and that all leads to community safety.
And we used the funds that were generated from the Senate bill to establish programs and services for a population that didn't otherwise have resources available to provide services in the community.
And this was the first time that we really were able to look not only at compliance issues for probationers, but really how could we help make a difference in their lives and ensure that they were less likely to recidivate.
With 678 and some of the changes that came about there, it really impacted the way that we looked at how to handle those cases and how we could have best effect.
678 and other shifts in attitude and funding began building the foundation for us to be able to start doing the work that we knew was successful. We just hadn't had the opportunity to really engage with people the way that we wanted to. And 678 really gave us a leg up in doing that kind of business.
We were able to work with people at a different level, and it was really the beginning of a cultural shift to a more holistic approach to working with adults. And we've seen a number of changes since 678 that have allowed us to continue with that approach, and it's been quite successful.
I think 678 has really allowed us to be adequately staffed and to provide those services to people, and it has given us the mechanism and the vehicle to address those issues with those offenders in the community.
I just believe SB 678 was a bold move for our legislators to understand the role of probation serves in helping adult offenders to get back into the communities, get back to their families, be productive, and have pro-social life skills that are needed. And finding out that most folks, that's what they want to do anyways. They don't want to be in the system, and to get them out of the system.